ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्री चिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very warm welcome. एहि विधि राम सबहि समुझावा गुरपद पदुम हरषि सिरुनावा गणपति गौरी गिरीसु मनाई चले असीस पाई रघुराई। रघुराई, the lord of Raghus. पाई विधि राम सबहि समुझावा, he explained to everyone, consoled everyone. Gurupada Paduma Harashi Sirunava, and then cheerfully bowed at the feet of his Guru Vasishtaji, took his blessings. Ganapati Gauri Girisuvanai, he also brought, or rather invoked, Ganeshji, Ganapati, Gauri, Parvatiji, and Girisu, Shivji, to his heart. Chale Asisa Pai Raghurai. He started his journey towards the forest. he proceeded further. A very painful moment for everyone. Continuing, we had done two chaupais earlier, which we just saw. Continuing. राम चलतति भयउ बिषादु सुनिन जाई पुर आरतनादु कुसगुन लंक अवधति सोकु हर्ष विषाद बिबस सुरलोकु गई मूर्छा तब भूपति जागे बोली सुमंत्र कहन असलागे रामु चले बन प्राण न जाहि के सुख लागे रहत तन माही एहि ते कवन व्यथा बलवाना जो दुख पाई तजहि तनु प्राणा पुनि धरि धीर कहई नर नाहु ले रथु संग सखा तुम जाहु सुठी सुकुमार कुमार दोऊ जनक सुता सुकुमारी रथ चढ़ाई दिखराई बनु फिरे हु गए दिन चारी राम चलत ति भयउ बिसादु. While Ramchandra ji started that journey, there was great amount of lamentation. People started crying loudly. People started shouting Rama, Rama ityadi. Sunina jai pura aratanadu. It was so piteous to see, to hear those words with so much of pain. It was reverberating in the ears. It was shooting in the ears. And they all cried Rama's name to somehow stop him. But Ramchandra ji, he had taken decision, you see. Kusaguna lanka vadati soku. Very interestingly, while this is happening, when the entire Ayodhya is in Shoka, Tulsidas ji, as though he has seen with his Jnana Drishti, writes, Kusaguna Lanka. All bad omens started in Lanka. And Avadhati Soku, while here in Avadha, in Ayodhya, there is so much of pain, so much of shoka, suffering, torture, mental torture. And why did he write? Because in Lanka, people started experiencing wrong and bad omens. What about Lanka? Lanka is a very prosperous kingdom, invincible kingdom, unrivaled kingdom, headed by Ravana, the Rakshasa, and very powerful. Such a country suddenly started feeling omens when Ramchandra started here towards the forest. We all know the story, therefore it is easy for us to understand, is it not? What does it indicate? It indicates Ravana's time has started. Countdown has started for the end of Ravana. Therefore, Kusaguna Lanka Avadhati Soku. Ayodhya is in deep experience of shoka. Because Ramchandra is going. Ayodhya Vasis doesn't know the purpose, actual purpose for which Rama had to go to forest. Gai murcha taba bhupati jage. Dasharath Maharaj had gone into unconscious state that time. Now suddenly he woke up. Gai murcha. Boli Sumitra kahana asalage. He immediately called Sumitra ji. Ramu chale bana pranan jai. Dasharatha ji, he was completely shattered. Ram chale. Rama has already left. Pranana jahi. Why is my life not moving out of this body? Why does the life refuse to move out of this body? Kehi sukha lagi rahat tan mahi. For what joy, seeking what happiness is it still staying in my body? There is no more happiness possible. Ehite kavana vyata balavana. Dasharatha ji, like that he was crying. That agony in him is so deep that he is unable to hold himself and is waiting for his life to just pass away. The agony is more severe. Therefore, I should die now. Jodukupai tajahi tanu prana. When will that last breath come to me? When will it go out of my body? When will I die? Punidhari dhira kahai naranahu. Then again recovering himself, the king said, Lairathu sanga sakha tu mujahu. Hey Sakha, my dear friend, take the ratha and go behind. Suthi sukumara kumara dovu janaka sutha sukumari. Kumara dovu sukumara. Very, very delicate, very soft, very tender age. And Janakasuta Sukumari. Janakasuta, Sita ji, she is such a tender girl, she is such a delicate girl. Rathachadai dekharai banu. Hey Sumantra, my dear friend, you go. Take the Ratha and go. Ask them to get into Ratha and show them some parts of forest. If they are so interested, let them go. Roam around the forest. Phirehu gaye dinachari. And after 4 or 5 days, when they see the harsh part of the world, which is the forest, actually, harsh part of the world, difficult to trek. When they see that difficult forest, for 3-4 days, you bring them back. Dinachari, phirehi gaye. Continuing. जाओ नहीं फिरहि धीर दोवु भाई सत्यसंध दृढ़ व्रत रघुराई ताओ तुम विनय करेहु कर जोरी फेरिय प्रभु मिति ले सकी चोरी जब सिय कानन देखी डेराई कहेहु मोरी सिख अवसर पाई सासु ससुर अस कहेहु संदेशु पुत्री फिरिय बन बहुत कलेसु पितु गृह कबहु ससुरारी रहेहु जहाँ रुचि होई तुम्हारी एहि विधि करेहु उपाय कदम्बा फिरइत होई प्राण अवलंबा नाहित मोर मरनु परिणामा कछु न बसाई भये विधि बामा अस कही मुरुचि परामहि रावो राम लखनु सिय आनि देखावो पाई रजाय सुनाई सिरु रथुअति बेग बनाई गयउ जहाँ बाहेर नगर सीय सहित दो भाई. Dasharatha ji, experiencing the agony with that pain, he says, जाओ नहीं फिर ही धीर दो भाई. If in case the two strong-minded Dhira, do bhai, brothers, refuse to return, then what do? Satya Sandha Drida Brata Raghurai. Why? Because Raghurai, Rama, is Satyasandha. He will live true to his word. He is of firm resolve. He asserts himself. Therefore, it is not that easy to bring Rama back. And in case if those two brothers don't come, Tautum abhinaya karehu karajori. Then what you do, hey Sumantra? You with folded arms, you go to them. Pheriya Prabhu Mithilesa Kisori. You tell them, my lord, hey Rama, kindly send back Mithila's daughter. Kindly send back Janaki, Sita ji. Jab siya kanan dekhi derai. And when Sita gets afraid by seeing the forest, the harshness of the forest, the risky factor in the forest, whenever you see Sita at the very sight of the jungle, kahehu morisika avasarupai, avail yourself of that opportunity. And you tell her that I have advised this to her. What are the advices? The following words he says, Sasu sasura asa kahevu sandesu putri phiriya bana bahuta kalesu. The parents of your husband, your father-in-law and mother-in-law have sent this message to you, hey Sita. You tell her. Phiriya bana bahuta kalesu. Vana, the forest, is extremely harsh. The hardships are something which cannot be expressed. Therefore, please return home, my daughter. The message given by Dasharatha through Sumantra to Sita ji. Pitu griha kabahu sasurai. Hey Sita, sometime you live in your parents' house, Janakpuri. And sometime you come and live here in Ayodhya. Sometimes in Pitugriha, Kabahu Sasurai. In sometime you stay in Ayodhya, in your in-laws place. Rahe hu jahan ruchi hoi tumhari. Jahan ruchi rahe. You stay wherever it pleases you. Ehi bidi karehu paya kadamba. Hey Sumantra, in this way, try all possible means. Phiraita hoi prana avalamba. And if only she comes back. If only Sita ji comes back, prana avalamba hoi. She will become the support for my life. Nahita mori maranu parinama. In case she does not accept and come back, the death of the Maharaja here, that is me, Dasharatha, cannot be alive. That is the end result. Kachuna basai bhaye vidhibama. And nothing else can stop this very adverse fate. Disaster alone will happen here if she does not come back. Asakhahi muruchi paramahiravu. So saying, again Dasharatha swooned down. Again he went into unconscious state. Even while going into unconscious state, Rama Lakhanu siyani dekhavu. Please call them, show them once to me. And he fainted. Paira jaya sunai siru rathuvati bega banai. Now receiving the king's command, Sumantra was happy. Why? Now it is king's command. Therefore, he ran and got them, he yoked the horses, etc. And then he set the chariot ready in the most swift manner. Gayo jahan bahir nagara. Siyar Sahita do bhai. He rushed. He probably yoked one of the fastest horses, most swift horses he yoked, and he rushed towards Nagara Bahira, at the outskirt of the city, where Sita ji, Sahita, do bhai, along with Sita ji, the two brothers are there. Continuing. तब सुमंत्र नृप बचन सुनाये, करि बिन तीरथ राम चढ़ाये, चढ़ी रथ सिय सहित दो भाई, चले हृदय अवधहि सिरुनाई, चलत राम लखि अवध अनाथा, बिकल लोग सब लागे साथा, कृपा सिंधु बहु विधि समुझावहि, फिरहि प्रेम बस पुनि फिरियावहि, लागत अवध भयावनि भारी, मानहु काल राति अंधियारी, घोर जंतु समपुर नर नारी, ढर पही एक निहारी, घर मसान परिजन जनु भूता, सुतहित मीत मनहु जमदूता, बागन बिटप बेल कुमिलाही, सरित सरोबर देखि न जाही, हय गय कोटि न खेली मृग, पुर पशु चातक मोर, पिकर थांग सुख सारिका, सारस हंस चकोर. Tulsidas ji describes what is the condition of people and animals in Ayodhya. तब सुमंत्र नृप बचन सुनाये. When he reached Sita ji, Ramchandra ji and Lakshman ji, he delivered the king's message. Sunai. Kari bin tirath Ramu chadai. And after a lot of deliberations, Ramchandra ji accepted. Why? There are important reasons. When Sumantra ji persuaded Ramaji to get into the chariot, Ramchandra ji thought for a while. If he continues like this, the movement will be very slow. And not only that, remember, so many Ayodhyavasis all have come along and all of them will be sorrowful all through. And because he is going slow, Father Dasharatha might have some vague expectation after some time he will come back. This will again increase his sorrow till he sees me. So all these can be averted if he gets into the chariot and moves forward fast. Therefore, Chadirata siya sahita do bhai. Having understood, it is required for him to move away as fast as possible, because when he moves away as fast as possible, not knowing where is he going, the Ayodhyavasis had to return. Is it not? And having got the information that they have left Ayodhya, normally we say, out of sight, out of mind. Slowly people will also change. Isn't it? It is really true. Out of sight, out of mind is a real fact. Therefore, Ramchandra thought it is better at this moment we will get in the chariot and move forward, then we will see. So he got into the chariot and chale hridayavadhi sirunai, and he set out and mentally he bowed his head to the great city of Ayodhya. He did namaskar mentally. Chalat Ramu Lakhi Avada Anatha. Now Ayodhya found that they are masterless. Why? Dasharatha, even though he is a king, he is no more available, no more fit to govern the city. Ramchandra ji has gone. Bharata Shatrughna are in their in-laws' place. So they found Avadha Anatha. They found Ayodhya masterless with the departure of Sri Ramchandra ji. Bikala loga sabalage satha. And those who had assembled there, suddenly their mind is so agitated, they thought, Kripa Sindhu Bahubidi Samujavahi. Sri Rama actually protested in so many ways, asked them to go back with lot of love, with lot of compassion, in beautiful words. He compelled them to go back, but they would not go. Phirahi prema basapuni phiravahi. They turned towards their homewards because Ramchandra said, but after some time, again the love they had for Ramchandra ji, that is the real point. The love towards Ramchandra ji was so much that they came back again behind Ramchandra ji. Lagati avadha bhayavani bhari. Ayodhya was deserted. It was looking frightening. Nobody and everybody have gone. How did they go? They just went without anything, just with the clothes which they were wearing, nothing taken. The houses are all were all open. With that condition, they just went. For them, nothing mattered other than Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, and Lakshman ji. Manahu kala rati adhiyari. And when they were moving, they were just going, and slowly the evening set in and the night also set in. In the night, when everything is dark, there are no street lights out of the city, is it not? The whole universe, was looking so dreadful. Ghora jantu samapura naranari. The men and women themselves look like very, very frightening creatures. Why? They have not combed their hair, worn beautiful dress. Why? I am going with Ramchandra ji. I should look beautiful. All those thoughts were not there. So they just got up and came. Their hairs were, thrown out like that. And they were looking so painful. It is so painful to look at them. And therefore, Ghorajantu Sama, as though they were looking like ghastly creatures. Dharapahi ekahi ekanihari. Looking at each other, they used to get frightened. That was the condition they were in. First of all, their face looked so painful. Isn't it? You can't see such faces because they were so much of shoka, and along with that they were not well dressed up or well combed hairs, etc. Because of which they were looking so horrible that each one of them looking at each other, they were feeling very afraid of. Gharamasana, the homes look like crematoriums. Parijana Janu Bhuta, and all the people who were there, they were looking like ghosts only. Sutahita Mita Manahu Jamuduta, all their friends, relations, sons, daughters, they were all looking like messengers of death. Jamaduta, the messengers of Yama, Lord of Death. Bhagana bitapa beli kumiha lagi. And all, even the trees, the creepers, the gardens, all those beautiful flowers, all of them were like that. And none of them were looking beautiful because they were also feeling bad. They were also disturbed. And remember, plant, animal, human, all of us have got mind. They may not have buddhi, but they have a mind, and that mind was looking so horrible because they are seeing Ramchandra ji going, therefore they also put their head down. Sarita sarobar dekhi na jahi. Even the lakes and the streams and the ponds, even they were looking so bad. Haya gaya kotina keli mriga. Haya, horses, gaya, elephants, purapasu chatakamora, even the domestic animals. You know, those days domestic animals, not only cow and things, even deers were trained domestic animals in those days. So, purapasu chatakamora, pikarathanga sukha sarika, sarasa hamsa chakora, all the urban domestic cattle, chataka birds, sarika, peacocks, sarasa, hamsa, chakora, even the mynas, the cranes, the swans, then the chakora birds, all of them as though stood motionless. Like a painting. And they were all shedding tears. Why is the painting? Painting is motionless. To that extent they were motionless. Thinking about Ramchandra ji leaving Ayodhya. Continuing. Rama biyoga bikala sabathadhe jahataha manahu chitra liki kadhe nagaru safal banu gahabar bhari खग मृग विपुल सकल नर नारी विधि कई कई किरातिनि कीन्ही जेहि दव दुसह दसह दिसि दीन्ही सहि न सके रघुबर बिरहागी चले लोग सब व्याकुल भागी सब ही विचारु कीन मन माही राम लखन सिय बिनु सुखु नाहि जहाँ राम तह सबुई समाजो बिनु रघुबीर अवध नहीं काजो चले साथ अस मंत्री दृढ़ाई सुर दुर्लभ सुख सदन बिहाई राम चरण पंकज प्रिय जिनहि विषय भोग बस करहि किति नहीं बालक वृद्ध बिहाई गृह लगे लोग सब साथ तमासा तीर निवासु किय प्रथम दिवस रघुनाथ. We had always discussed earlier about two important factors. What is that? One is pure love. The other is attachment. Wherever attachment is, very soon there will be detachment also. Remember this carefully. Wherever there is attachment, detachment must happen. This is law. But wherever there is love, that pure, unsullied love cannot leave the beloved away. Every single Ayodhya Vasis here had so much of pure and uncontaminated deep love towards Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, Lakshman ji and Shatrugna ji also, Bharat ji also. But now Bharata Shatrugna being away and right now Ramchandra ji, Sita ji and Lakshman ji are about to leave the forest, none of them could hold their pain within themselves. Their mind got shattered and there was nothing else remaining for them. That nothing else they wanted except the trio Ramchandra ji, Sita ji and Lakshman ji. Rama biyoga bikala sabathade. Everybody were very, very restless. Because of the separation from Sri Ramchandra ji. Jahataha manahu chitra likhi khade. It was as though everywhere people were standing, it was like chitra, meaning what? everybody were motionless. They didn't know what to do. They stood still here and there. Their mind stopped functioning. Nagaru sapala banu gahabara bhari. Even Nagara, the city, appeared as though it was an extension of a forest. The way the forest would be, even Nagara was like that. It appeared as though all the fruits of dharma, artha, kama, moksha, all of them have given up, and there was only sorrow in the city. Khagamriga bipula sakala naranari. All the men, women who were residing represented birds and beasts. In Ayodhya, they were no more human beings, they were like animals and birds, unable to think. Vidhi kai kai kiratini kinhi. It appeared as though Bhagavan had assigned the duty to Kaikeyi to play the role of a tribal woman hunter. Bhila street, they are called. Tribal woman hunter. Bhagavan had given that job to Kaikeyi, assigned that responsibility to Kaikeyi to finish off Ayodhya as though Jehidava dusaha dasahu disidinhi. And as though Bhagavan said, go there to Ayodhya and set fire to the whole city. And what is a fire? The fire of separation. Definitely 0.0001% all of us have experienced this fire of separation, but it is only a spark, that's all. We also, when our beloved person moves ahead or goes or even dies, for example, that fire of separation, that pain of separation is so harsh. And what to talk of people here? They have been set fire, the fire of separation, by Kaikeyi, who have been assigned by Bhagavan himself. Sahina sakhe raghubara birahani. The people could not at all bear that viyoga of separation. Chale loga saba vyakula bhagi. And all of them started running behind Raghurai. They started running behind Ramchandraji. Sabahi vicharu keen himanamahi. All of them came to a conclusion in their minds. What is the conclusion? Rama lakhana siya binu sukhunahi. Without Ramchandraji, Lakshmanji and Sitaji in Ayodhya, there is no happiness. That is why the name of the Rama is also very beautiful. Ramante iti Ramaha. Rama is one who brings joy, Ramanam, in everybody's heart. When Rama goes, where is Ramanam? Impossible. You can't be happy without Rama. And therefore, Jaha Ramutaha Sabui Samaju, the whole community will now live where Rama takes up his abode. Wherever Rama is, Ramu Taha Sabuhi Samaju. There we will also live. Binu Raghubira Avadhanahi Kaju. Without Ramchandraji, there is no work in Ayodhya. There is nothing that we have to do in Ayodhya. We have no business there. Just as Sumitra ji told Lakshman ji, where Rama is not there, you have no business in Ayodhya. Similarly, these people also thought, Binu Raghubira Avadhanahi Kaju. Chale saath asa mantru dudhai. Having taken that resolve, firm resolution, they started following Ramchandraji. Suradurlabha sukha sadana bihai. And interestingly, Sura Durlabha Sukha Sadana Bihai. The gods, celestial beings, they were happy In a way, they were happy. Why? Because Rama Charana Pankaja Priya Jinahi Bishaya Bhoga Basakarahi Kinta Tinahi. Now, when they go, the lotus feet of Rama, they want to hold that lotus feet of Rama and who is dear to their heart. Can the pleasures of senses, can it overpower this love for Bhagavan? Think, the pleasure of the senses are so fleeting, so petty. Can those pleasure overpower the joy for love for Rama? Impossible. Therefore, what did the Nagaravasis do? Balaka Vriddha Bihaya Griha. They left all the elderly people, old people, and children at the homes, because both of them cannot take the life of the forest. Therefore, they left them at home. They left the elderly people to take care of the children, and they left the children to bring joy to the elderly people, to their grandparents. They left them there. Lage loga sabasatha. The entire citizens accompanied Ramchandra ji. Tamasatira nivasukiya prathama divasa raghunath. And Lord of Raghus, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, the first day's halt, because it was night already. So the first day's halt was made at the bank of Tamasa river. He said, let us all stay here tonight and then we will start tomorrow morning. So all of them said, okay, probably. People who had come, some of them might have some forethought. Some people are like that, they always think a little ahead. So they must have carried some tent and something like that and some food material, etc. So they all probably must have tented there only. With that, they all are going to stay tonight. Let them sleep. We will meet them tomorrow. All right. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।